Actually, yun nga, yung kapag sinasabi nila na you're related to Marian Rivera, paano mo yun? Paano mo i-handle?
I just tell them na I'm Marian Rivera's half-sister. Sabihin ko lang na pareho kami ng dad, magkaiba kami ng mom. Tapos yun, naniniwala na sila parang, oh my God, kapatid ni Marian. Tapos papa-picture sila, uy, kapatid ni Marian yan. So parang sabi niya, asan yung ate mo? Sabi ko, wala, nagtataping. Kasama si Ding Dong.
Were you ever confronted by anyone from the Marian Rivera fans club or?
No naman. Basta parang just random people lang. As in, they would even message me. Parang, wow, magkaano-ano kayo ni Marian? Pareho pa kayo Rivera. So yun, sinasakyan ko lang din sila. So bahala sila kung maniwala sila or hindi. Kung mag-research talaga sila.
Pero nag-meet na kayo ni Marian?
Yeah, we work together na for my lady boss. That's why I really know her and like sobrang we're okay. That's why, di ba before may mga intrigas about her I was really scared. To be honest. Sabi ko, oh my gosh, baka ayaw niya sa akin or something. But we work together. Sobrang okay kami. Like, may times na nagta-text pa kami. I even texted her. Sabi ko, ate yan, I saw your FHM cover. It's really nice. Ganyan, oh, thank you. How are you? Blah, blah, blah. So parang, friend niya rin si Ai, that is Alas. Yung anak ni Ai, friend ko. So parang medj connected kami. Tapos may times lang, like, she would text me. Like, so yun.
Oh, you want to work with her again?
Yeah,
very
of
soon.
course. Kung pwede nga lang
Pwede magkapatid.
Magkapatid na role yun. Talagang, boom, pasok yun.
Thanks. Go.